y'all, I am super psyched. Today we've got an unboxing of some crafting goodies. So let's get to it. Simon Says Stamp does an annual fundraiser for Huntington's disease. And what they do is if you make a $50 donation, they'll send you $100 of free crafting supplies as a thank you. So that is what we are unboxing today. This is my $50 donation. This is the $100 of crafting supplies they sent me. So let's see what we've got. All right, turn this around. Oh, look at all these goodies. All right, let's see what we got. We got a coupon code, always loving one of those. And let's see what we have. Ooh, look at these beautiful sparkle sequins. I love those. Great colors. Let's see what else here. Ooh, okay. We've got a blending ink from Cloud9. Nice. That'll be fun to work with. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a little stencil with kind of like a quilted pattern going on here. That's pretty cool. All right. Ooh, look at this birthday set. Oh, how cute. This will work great on all sorts of birthday projects. Oh, wow. Look at these dies. Fantastic. Nice scripty font. Can always use happy birthday, thank you with love. So fantastic set. All right. What do we have here? Ooh, nice embossing folder. It's called Modern Loop. Awesome. That'll work with all sorts of different projects. Ooh, nested star dies. Wow. Even with my large collection, I have no star dies like this. I just have a small star punch. So this is fantastic. Ooh, look at these. Some great, nice, big, large stamped sentiments. This is fantastic too. Wow, these are going to work for so many different projects. Oh, the pop art circles. All right, look at that. Got the pop art circles. Very cool. Oh, a hexagon stencil. I've got a bunch of different bee supplies and such. This will work perfect with. Yeah, honeycomb stencil. Yeah, perfect. Oh, foil transfer cards. Yes, these will work great with my Mink machine. Starry skies. That will be great, especially with Halloween coming up. That'll be fantastic. What else we got here? We got some ideology. It looks like a Fedra in here. Yeah. Got all sorts of little pieces. And last but not least, we got these little crystal type of charms here. Awesome. Yeah, so that's an amazing amount of crafting goodies in my package, and all just because I made a $50 donation. They sent me all of these crafting supplies. Here's all our little goodies here. Yeah, so totally psyched. Can't wait to use all of these awesome goodies. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece of the box is. And happy crafting, y'all.